Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. In the past, I've done the video on how to increase saliva for dry mouth and possibly halitosis from the dry mouth. Per viewer's request, this week I'm going to show you acupressure points for excessive saliva or drooling. And by drooling, I mean from the overproduction of saliva, not from the lack of muscle tone around the mouth. The first one is located at the upper border of hyoid bone. It is about a finger width above the laryngeal prominence, commonly known as Adam's apple. This is called conceptual vessel 23 or CV23. Lightly press the point. This point helps to balance the saliva production, so it's also good for dry mouth. The next one is on the hand. Spread your hand. Follow the valley between the index finger and middle finger all the way to the wrist line. Press or massage to stimulate this point with your fingertip however you like, with index finger, middle finger supported by index and ring finger, or hook thumb. This is on an extra meridian line and referred to as EM33. The last one is located 3 fingers from the inner wrist crease between the tendons. This is called Pericardium 6 or P6. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. Repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.